My name is Jason Fenley. I'm the general manager at AKA Mulch Products. We have a B66 wheeled unit and a B66L. We use it to grind up tree debris, logs. We do roadside clearings as well as disaster relief work. Rotochopper's been really great to us. Between the two machines that we've had and the issues that we've come across, whether it's just we took hard impacts and we had pieces that got broken, I don't have any issues. I call in, I talk to the service techs or parts, I get them, they know exactly what I need to replace the system and get it out to me as fast as I want it delivered. As far as everything else, when it comes to if we have any kind of technical questions or issues, they're always there, willing to help. It's great. It's a big company with a very small company feel, and it's really enjoyable every time that we have to talk and get stuff from. Being here at Rotochopper University this year has been really interesting. It's been my first chance to get here. I really enjoy being able to come down to the factory, see and meet the people that are behind the ginormous machines that we're operating on a regular basis. I would say that anybody who runs one of these machines needs to come down here and see exactly how much care and time's put into putting all these machines together, and it really is just a wonderful experience.